In a world where PlayStation 4 games is free, I show you how. We'll be showing you how to get free PlayStation 4 games in 2020.
Hey, before you skip this ad, what I want you to do is go ahead and check out this microphone right here. So if you see this microphone, it's a nice Tonor microphone, and it's a USB condenser microphone. So you can use it with any device, a laptop or your desktop, it doesn't matter. But look at here, so it comes with the stand, it comes with pop filter and a second pop filter. All you have to do is simply put this on top, and I would recommend you just use this without this, but if you want more protection, then you gotta use this right here. All you have to do is sit it down just like this. Let's see if we can get it right here. And look here. Look how easy it is. Look here. You like that? So if you want to go ahead and purchase this mic, I will also have an audio review right after this, so stay tuned for the audio review. It's going to be a song, so if you guys like this microphone, go ahead and buy it because it's worth buying. This is the first method I'm going to be telling you about, and most of you know this method, but the thing is, the people who tell you this method on YouTube don't usually tell you this about it. So this is game sharing, and with game sharing, what you want to do before you even game share, like if you don't even know the person that well, you want to make sure at least that you have your PayPal unlinked, your credit card unlinked, and your debit card unlinked. And those are the main three things. And also, so you may be wondering, like, what if the person tried to steal my account? Well, the thing is, as long as you have your original PlayStation that you made the account on, you can get your account back no matter what. But for the United States and Canada, I would recommend you do this method. Because for United States and Canada, it's easier to access the PlayStation support. And once you do that, you know, I have all my other tutorials that you can go look at before that. But all you have to do is just type in your, tell them your name and your last name and all that. And just type in your serial number, and they can recover your account just like that. So, and some of you have the PlayStation 4 right now, but you didn't make that account on the PlayStation. You have to make sure that you have your original PlayStation that you made the account on, not the PlayStation 4, if you didn't make it on that console, but on the PlayStation 3. So yeah, that's what I would recommend for you guys if you're in the United States or Canada. You can try it out right now. So you can go down in the link in the description right now and go to the PSN live chat and just give them your serial number and just act like you lost your account. And see how easy it is to access it and get it back with your serial number. And that can also assure that you have the correct serial number for your account. But yeah, that is the first method. But stay tuned for the next method, because this is going to help you guys out a lot. What I'm going to do is going to show you that I don't have any payment methods on my account, and I'm not going to cut anything from this video. So I'm going to go to account information and just wait. And I'm going to go to my wallet and payment methods. Just wait. All right, so hold on. As you see on here, I don't have any payment methods added on here, so it's no way possible, and I'm not cutting anything from this video. All right, so I'm going to click circle. And let's go back to settings. So what you need to do is I want you to go down until you see application save data management right here. Click on that, and I want you to save all your data in your online storage, but I'm not going to do it right now because I've already did it. But once you have all your data saved in there, it's going to save all your information and stuff. What you need to do is go up and go to login settings right here, and then go to user management, because you have to delete all your accounts but only add your one main account that you're going to be using. So delete all your accounts, even the one main one, and then you're going to come back and add that one back. So all you have to do is delete user and delete it. But I'm not going to delete mine because I already did it. You see, I only have one up here. I already did the method. All right, so once you do that, now you can go to the home menu, and you will see a little thing that says PlayStation Now with the PlayStation button, and it says Now. So you can click on that and click Start, and just wait till it loads up. All right, so hold on. As you see it loads up, what you can do, you can download games from here, or you can like stream them and play them online. As you see, if I click on 2K16,
you can download it to your PS4. And actually, hold on, I'm gonna show you a game that I can play. If y'all never heard of this game, but it's called Uncharted 3. Hold on. Let's go circle. You actually search it up. So if you want to play a game, you can search it up. Let's click on this. And I click stream now and watch this. Just wait. And guys, like I showed you, there's no payment methods or nothing on here. So it's completely free. Free method. And just wait till it loads. I'm going to show you. I'm not cutting anything out of this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe right now. But don't click off this video yet, because I'm going to actually show you that it works 100%. So I'm just going to wait till it loads. It may take you a little while, but it's going to load. Just 1 minute. You see the screen just went back? It says starting game. Just keep watching, guys. Keep watching. Watch closely. No cutouts or nothing like that. It's 100%. I don't post any fake content on my channel. It may take a few seconds to start up. Depends on how fast your internet is. It don't have to be super fast, but it has to be pretty decent. You see, it's loading up. I'm gonna actually go to the screen though to make sure that I'm on the show you that I'm actually on the game. And you see the little symbol like it's PS3, so it's basically like an emulator. PS Now is basically like a PS3 emulator. But hold on. I'm gonna actually load up the game because I don't want y'all to think that it's fake or something. Hold on. Just keep on watching now. Just keep on watching. Screen. It's not on certain games that'll take long to load up, but not every game, just certain ones. It basically loads up the same time as it would on the PS3. And the PS3 is definitely slower than the PS4, of course, because of the processor and stuff. All right, click X. Okay, so what you must do is either go on your phone or either on your computer. It doesn't matter. But right now I'm just going to use my phone because it's easier to me. So, and you want to go to Facebook. If you don't have it, go ahead and download it. And you need to sign up. And once you signed up, make sure that your account is 18 or up. So make sure it's either 2000 or below. Or you can do 2001, but make sure it's either January, February, or March. And I'm going to go to the Facebook so I can show you what to do next. And once you're on Facebook, what you need to do is go to the marketplace. If you don't see the marketplace, that means that you did not create your account 18 or up. So go to the marketplace. Once you're at the marketplace, what you must do now is type in PS4 games or either PS3 games, whatever games you're trying to get for free, or PS2, it does not matter. And once you're on here, what you need to do next is you need to go to filters and you want to put free and apply it. And as you see now, we go to the first selection right here. So it says Xbox One for PS4 trade only. So what you can do, if this person lives close to you, what you can do is just trade them for a PS4 game. So, and you get an Xbox One game. So let's say you don't like the PS4 game, you can give them that PS4 games, and let's go to another one. All right, so another one like this, you see WWE 2K19 trade only. So basically what you can do is you can get like older PS4 games you don't like, but that person right here, they might like that game, and you can get this 2K19 game. And let's go to another one. And not only that, you can trade a PS4 for Xbox One on here. All you have to do is either meet up with the person, because 9 times out of 10, if you're on here, all you have to do is select the area you're in, and they're going to be close to you so you can trade with them. This video is basically supposed to be about PS4 games, but I'm also showing you how you can get a free PS4 by only trading like an iPhone. Let's say you have an iPhone 6. This person right here may want to trade you. And guys, they may live close to you, like I said, so you can trade in person and just make sure it works and everything. So yeah, basically the list goes on and on how you can get PS4 games and how you can also get a free PlayStation. So, I mean, if you want to go through here, just change your change where you live at. Just go through different cities and stuff where you live at, and you should be able to find a free PS4 game somewhere in the Facebook Marketplace, or you can either trade with them. Yeah. Yeah. I'm at the top of the line, you at the bottom. They asking my fit, they tryna cop 'em. They want my shoes, they want my stuff. I'm tryna. I don't even know what I'm about to say. I'm finna blow up. Hey, I'm getting away. I'm like, almost get away with it. I keep up with the pace with it. Oh yeah. They look at me up because they down. I don't even know. I don't even frown. I don't even know what to say, but I'm finna go and hey. My name is Show You How. Finna blow up. They asking me, they want more. More videos. That's what I do. I know sometimes that I never post consistently, but I will. I driving up a hill, I'm tumbling down. I got a frown and I'm getting around. I'm really nice with my freestyles. I ate that for breakfast. I don't even know what I'm saying, but we're probably gonna end this right here. Yeah.